welcome back to my channel. It's Cerise here, and for today's video I am going to alter these boots. This is trial and error. I'm doing it with no sewing. I'm going to alter them so they can fit my calf because currently they don't. So I'm going to cut a slit, use some fabric glue and stitch it together. So welcome to how to do that today. So looking at these boots and looking at the stitching and where the appropriate places to cut them. I don't want to cut them on the front, but at the back we have a huge gap here. So I'm just going to cut a length down there. It does feel painful to do this, but when it works, it's going to work and be amazing. So I'm just cutting it down to that seam there. See, we have it open there. Now the shoe is on, but I need to cut it a little bit more for it to really get rid of that bulging. Now the boot is on, and you can see the gap that we've got there, so we just need to fix up this gap. Woo. So now that the boot is cut, we need to measure the amount of elastic that we will need so we can go ahead and glue it. So we can see there, would kind of want it to bend like that when it's closed, and then when it opens we want it stretched out, and then that kind of covers that back gap. So I also saw another hack: if you glue along this seam too, nothing will kind of come apart. So I might glue that part first and then glue the fabric bit on. So if I just squeeze, well, I don't want it to glue together, so maybe that's a bad idea actually. I'm like trying to measure out where I should put each part. Put that there and that there, then it will kind of close like that and be on the outside, and I can glue it, extra glue it. So I think I'm just going to glue the inside of this and then go from there. That's what I'll do. I don't know how I can properly show that on camera. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. And just, so at least it's clear, like it dries down clear. And this is a fabric glue, so this is the E6000 Fabric Fuse. So it's meant to like fuse fabric together. So it's like an instant bond, so I need to be really freaking quick as well. To be super quick. So I'm just going to put that just going to spread them out. Spreading them. Put that side on. And then I'm going to stick that side out. And I suppose what I can do actually is if I pinch these bits together, and that should work. I just need to tuck it in once it's dry. So I need to hold that like that. So I'm just holding this piece to this piece, hoping that the inside doesn't glue together. And just going from there. So with the glue, you need to apply it to each side and then hold down and let it kind of cure. So I'm finding this glue is struggling to fuse to the side. So what I have done is I'm just going to leave it for a couple of hours and just put some hair clips on just to kind of clamp it because I don't have clamps. I'm just going to clamp each piece on and just kind of set the rest of the pieces on that side. And I'll just kind of see what happens if we come back tomorrow. It is the next day. It's the moment of truth to see if this has bonded. So let's see. Yep. Bonded. Perfect. Now we just got to glue the other side. So by the way, this might be a multiple day thing, but that's it. So I've glued the other side and I've just held it with clips. So I'm just going to get another clip. Pinching this top seam. Like I'm just going to pinch one all the way down in there just to give it that added length. So I'm using hair clips to pinch this together because she's a frugal queen. And when there's boots like that, it's going to be a little bit ugly, but we're gonna fix her up. I don't know how, but we're looking like this so far. Now we just need to test the other one. Oh, the clip kind of stuck to it. So the glue kind of stuck out there. It's a bit of a messy bond, but that's okay. Oh yeah, that's well bonded in there. This was such a good idea. Holy hell. Okay, so that side yesterday didn't work, so we definitely need to hold it on to something. So that's really good information to know. I mean, I already knew that since this is a tutorial, but I'm also learning at the same time. It's just because I don't know how the glue works, sort of thing. So it's hard to envision. So we're going to fold this piece over like that because we're gluing this side, because that's the side that's connecting. So if we're just gluing this bit here, then I'm going to pinch that in and then pinch that together. How did I do it with the other boot? I did this, pinched it together till it meets, and then I'm going to pin it with those pins. You could use actual pins to pin it together. I did not have actual pins, so I am using hair clips. I'm just going to get another few. So I'm just trying to use things that I would have around the house. I'm just going to pop that on, and then this one, the top too. And hopefully that holds the seam together hard enough. Hopefully. I feel like I need something in the middle here, so I'm going to just slide this one on and hopefully that will hold it together. And then we just leave it to cure for like 8 hours. I also did these boots, but I didn't expand it. I just glued the edges. So when they're on, you don't notice as much, just to give it a bit of extra room. Now to see if the other side has cured. It is now the next day. So far it's been a 2-day process. Yeah, so we're on. We're stretched. Oh, I know that didn't sound good. Oh, but it's still attached. I was unsticking it from itself because it's stuck to itself. Okay, so that's it from the back. So if we tuck it in, I feel like I need to chop that and stick it because I don't know if it's going to look ugly when it's on. But we do have the stretch in there. So that's good. So, yeah. So we've got the stretch. It's stretching pretty good. Fuck yeah. So I've just tucked it in. So we'll see what it looks like. Just put it on and you cannot tell. I don't even think I need to do anything with that bottom. It's just the seam. Like, look at that. Just put the other one. So normally putting shoes on would be a struggle. Look how easy that's lit on. Look. You like can't even tell looking at it from the back, and it's comfortable as well. Oh my god, I'm so excited. All right, so last step is we have a vivid marker, and I'm just literally coloring it in, just the white of that fill, and I'm just coloring that in, and then I'm gonna glue seal it. So see, just like that. See, it literally looks beautiful compared to that side. So this side, literally just coloring that in. And then I'm just going to get the glue to seal it in. I'm letting it kind of absorb. So just making a thick seal along like that. Just so it's not got that foamy bit, because this dries clear. And just like that, the boots are all done. Like, they look so good. I can't wait to put them on. Okay, I'm gonna put them on. I'm so excited to actually, I just stood on a piece of wood that wasn't the shoe breaking. I'm so excited to have shoes that fit my calf. Like, that is what's so exciting for me. Like, look. Oh, these are so awesome. And from the back, like, they don't even look too bad. That DIY way with no sewing, and they look great and look perfect. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, but look how freaking cute. Okay, bye.